This is tteokbokki. This is also tteokbokki. And this is tteokbokki as well. All of these tteokbokki dishes can be made in just 10 minutes.
Today, we're going to make the 3 most popular types of tteokbokki in Korea. We'll be making the tteokbokki sauce just once and using it for all of them, storing it just like this store-bought tomato sauce. By doing it this way, you can make delicious tteokbokki anytime in just 10 minutes. That's because you've already prepared the sauce in advance.
For tteokbokki sauce, just remember this ratio no matter what. 3 parts Korean chili powder, 2 parts gochujang, 3 parts sugar, 2 parts soy sauce, 2 parts oyster sauce, 1 part chicken stock, 1 part cooking oil, and 1 part black pepper. Make a large batch using this ratio and just take out a little whenever you need it. I'll make enough to use about 5 times. 6 tablespoons of chili powder, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of chicken stock, 4 tablespoons of gochujang, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. That's all you need to do for the sauce. From now on, every dish will take less than 10 minutes. For 2 to 3 servings, use 400 grams of tteokbokki rice cakes and soak them in water for about 20 minutes. Cut 80 grams of green onion into appropriate sizes, and for 120 grams, 3 sheets of Korean fish cake, cutting them into triangles like this is the Korean style. That's it for the ingredient prep. Super simple, right? Now, boil 600 milliliters of water and just add all the ingredients in at once. Add 5 tablespoons of the tteokbokki sauce you prepared earlier. Mix the sauce well, and once the water comes to a full boil, just let it cook for exactly 10 minutes. This hardly even counts as cooking. When the liquid has reduced to about this level, it's done. In Korea, we decorate tteokbokki by sprinkling sesame seeds on top. The nutty flavor of the sesame seeds combines with the spiciness to make the tteokbokki taste even better. Alright, now it's time to taste it. Actually, at this level, this isn't considered very spicy tteokbokki in Korea. There are a lot of tteokbokki brands in Korea that are insanely spicy.
The wonderfully spicy yet delightfully sweet and truly addictive sauce, when perfectly combined with the wonderfully chewy texture of the rice cakes, is truly the absolute best.
The second tteokbokki is roast tteokbokki, which has recently become the most popular in Korea. This tteokbokki has cream added to it, which reduces the spiciness and highlights a smooth and sweet flavor. Only 3 additional ingredients are needed. Score 60 grams of small sausages. Cut 50 grams of bacon into appropriate pieces. All the other ingredients are the same as regular tteokbokki. Since roast tteokbokki contains cream, only add 450 milliliters of water. As before, add all the ingredients, then add 1 tablespoon and a half of tteokbokki sauce. After mixing the sauce well, add 150 milliliters of cream. You all know what to do now, right? Boil it for 10 minutes and it's done. It should look a bit like the color of rosé pasta, just like this.
If you had to pick the most popular tteokbokki in Korea these days, it would probably be rosé tteokbokki. Yes, tteokbokki and cream go really well together. Because of the smooth and sweet cream, the spiciness is balanced out, so even people who can't handle spicy food can really enjoy it.
Now let's try using Korean-style ramen.
Raboki is my favorite type of tteokbokki. It's a combination of ramen and tteokbokki.
Pour 300 milliliters of boiling water and use about 50 to 100 grams of tteokbokki rice cakes. We'll use 1 pack of Korean ramen, but only the noodles. Leave out the seasoning packet. You know what comes next, right? Add all the ingredients at once. For the tteokbokki sauce, add 1 tablespoon of this and just half a tablespoon of this ketchup. The ketchup will enhance the sweetness and umami flavor. Now just mix everything well over the highest heat for about 5 minutes, letting the moisture evaporate quickly, and you're done. It's so convenient that it's absolutely perfect for when you don't feel like cooking.
These chewy ramen noodles go really well with the tteokbokki sauce. There are probably a lot of people who've tried tteokbokki, but not many who've had raboki. Because you can enjoy 2 different textures in this spicy and sweet tteokbokki, anyone who likes ramen is guaranteed to love it.
So today I showed you how to make tteokbokki really easily anytime, as long as you have this simple sauce. If you found today's video content helpful and informative, please consider subscribing and giving it a like.